How to link debit card to Coinbase. If you would like to link your debit card to Coinbase, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Basically, all you have to do is go ahead and then just launch the Coinbase app, and this is the kind of interface that you will be able to see. Tap on the multiple dots icon from the very top left of the screen, and this is the kind of interface that you will see again. From here, just go to the option called profile and settings, and from profile and settings you want to simply go to this option that says add a payment method. So when you go to add a payment method, right over here you can see debit card option. So all you have to do is just tap on add debit card, then it will ask you to link your debit card right at the top. So over here you simply have to enter your card information, and once you've entered your card information along with the CVV code and everything, then your debit card would have been successfully linked to Coinbase. This way you'll be able to basically link your Coinbase. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.